Hello everyone, this is Nuri Does Engineering, and today I'm going to teach you how to make planes from both surfaces and other planes. So let's just make a part. Pen example, or PE, and pick millimeter Newton seconds, solid ABS. There we go. So, first thing you need to know is that when you open a model, it will, for the first time, it will have three planes: top, right, and front. And you can work with any of these you wish. And to make another plane from a plane, all you do is you press the plane icon up here, you click which plane you want, and if you don't know which one's which at the start, you can always just click one of these, for example the right plane, and you can either pull to make it further away, or you can push it this way to make it further away that way. And you can obviously translate it by a certain amount, let's say 100, and it'll make another plane. Right, and you can also make mid planes when you have two planes, you're not sure where the middle is. If you click these planes, both of them, if you click both these planes and press plane, it will make one in the middle, which is quite useful. So make it both parallel and a mid plane. Simple. If you want to make a diagonal plane from planes, let's click two planes you'll be able to see. Well, let's delete these ones actually to make life easier. If you click two planes together, obviously you need to hold control when you press them, and click plane, it will create one again in their mid plane, but at an angle this time. It's quite cool, and it is very useful. What happens if you click 3? Nothing. Cool. So now what about if you had a shape? Let's quickly make a shape with an angled edge. Line. We'll extrude this as well. 100 mil. Cool, so now what if we need to sketch on this plane? So first what you can do is you could always just press sketch. That will be quite easy for you. Or you could make a plane and set zero translation, and that will make a plane on this surface and furthermore. Or if you need to make the plane at a certain distance but parallel from the surface, you can always just do the same things we did earlier and move it about or enter your angle here, right? Also, when you click these two planes, you want the mid plane between these two at the angle. Click both surfaces, click plane, it will make one through the middle as well. So the same concept that applies to planes will happen to surfaces as well when generating planes. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like if you can, and have a great day. Thank you.